Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Yo, what's up, Jamaica? It's your street reporter. Echo straight from the heart of the streets, bringing you the hottest, realest breaking news right now. Listen up, because Jamaica, Wednesday, July 9, but 2, from Kingston streets to mountain peaks, Echo got the real rundown. Raw and righteous. Come on, SWAT like fire, 5-1, no sucks a Dynamite seals, boy. Police bust up one big star shop, I'm in the hills of St. Thomas. Fight one do, sticks a dynamite, they pan deck like a movie scene. Them says pure madness, how we did they store up? If that they drop in a wrong hands, whole parish coulda lift up. Big up the squad, we running fast and take charge. Them things no belong pan street. This a war level material. One resident tell Echo off the record. Transsource, Jamaica, Observer. What a wall, city cool step in residents vex out case MC. Finally say enough is enough and them a demand better test enough in WC water. People say the water brown stink and full of minerals like soup. Echo hears upon the pipes, we can't drink this thing. We have to buy water fi cook beat everything. Anti-P in a halfway tree stand the city all pass motion fi push NDUC to start regular testing. Action or just more chat. Echo a watch it. Hard source, Jamaica Observer. It dollar that's so. J1 zone side 1 to 1 USD. Street finance looking sticky. The US dollar climbed to 6 Taiwan, 1 over 4 today. Up 4 to 1 cents overnight, man. Them we a hustle online, cry blood. Me just start me little TikTok shipping biz. Now me have to raise me price for me one brethren. Young hustler Kiki, tell Echo Boj mama as usual, but Echo no say pressure squeeze the little man. Them same way boss was Bank of Jamaica via Glen. You CARICOM moon full freedom by October. Jamaica and 3 other island them plan fi open up full movement by October 1. No more work permit, no more border. Hustle of the unity we need long time, but make sure them come build not broke up. One man a market streets a side in. But so is Jamaica Observer. Digital marching up, loop and SportsMax. Big digital shift a come digital announce. Sell loop news a get shut down. And SportsMax a lock shop by August. Echo link with a cameraman from SportsMax. Them say money tight, we can't believe it. Whole media landscape a change overnight. Here's red journalism future, now look blurry. Bloggers, vloggers, Echo and Echo alone still solid pon the ground. Gag Jamaica gleaner. Jab off here, it is support Prime Minister Holness. Gone pon the international mic and say Haiti need help, but the CARICOM massive a try cook up support plan. This can't be no talk shop, people are suffer. Man from downtown shout from corner. Lurk, Sirs, Observer, and Dina. Hot topic for your treat. Dynamite fine wall St. Thomas dodge a bombshell. Kingston water issues, residents vex. Water brown and suspicious. Forex surge dollar dash way. Price of flour soon jump. CARICOM open border big move. But streets say, watch carefully. Loop SportsMax dead. Media shake up real. Echo still there. Help for Yeti, for real. But no long shot. Do the work. Our streets attack loud. Babylon a move silent. But the people they awake. We say action, not illusion. Want Echo tomorrow. Just heal up it. Echo want. Yeah.